Honor X10 Max 5G smartphone with the model number KKGAN00 has been benchmarked today in Geekbench database, ahead of release on July 2. This is a 5G-enabled smartphone, which is also evident with the model number suffix AN00. Honor X10 Max 5G will be the successor to Honor 8X Max. Incidentally, the Honor X10 Max smartphone has appeared both on Geekbench 4 as well as Geekbench 5 database. In Geekbench 4, the phone scored 2584 and 8690, whereas in Geekbench 5 it scored 539 and 2186 respectively in single and multi-core scores. The phone has appeared with 8GB RAM, Android 10 OS and MediaTek Helio Dimensity 800 SoC, which is indicated by its model number Montana 6873. This octa-core processor clocks at a speed of 2 GHz. The recently released Enjoy 20 Pro smartphone was also powered by the same smartphone. There is a U-shaped notch in the front and the display size of 7.09 inch with 2280x80 resolution is the unique aspect of this phone. Gone are the days when we had 7-inch displays reserved only for tablets. The phone has a 48MP primary camera sensor at the rear and an 8MP sensor for the front camera. Honor X10 Max 5G has a huge 5000 mAh battery which can support fast charging of up to 22.5 W. The phone weighs heavier at 227 grams. It will be available in black and blue colors. The phone has already been listed on ChinaJD.com and VMALL, which also revealed the image of the phone front design. The phone will be launched officially on July 2 as confirmed through the official Weibo account of Honor.